Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, kids. How are you all? I am fine. I hope you all are fine with good health and in Iman. As you know, kids, online classes are going to start, so that submit your task on Monday according to your groups. Now, kids, before starting our topic, first of all, raise your hands for dua. Very good. Now say, Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. Ameen. Now, kids, open your maths book. Very good. Now, open your maths book, page 133. Page 133. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. Very good. Now kids, our next unit is unit number 9, and which is time. So kids, I am here to teach you all about time. It's learning time today, and today we are learning to tell time. Now look, what is this? Very good, this is a clock. A clock tells us the time of the day. This flat surface is called face of a clock. And look at these numbers. The number 1 to 12. 1 to 12 appear on a clock. And clock has two hands, just like us. But one hand is short and the other one is long. So kids, what is the purpose of long hand and short hand? Okay, short hand is called an hour hand and it moves slowly. It shows the hour. All the day has 24 hours. So the hour hand complete one round and 12 hours and two rounds in 24 hours. And the long hand, it shows and the long hand is called minute hand. It shows a minute. A minute hand moves faster. It completes one round in 1 hour. Now, I will teach you how to read the time. As you know, kids, each day is divided into 24 equal parts called hours. There are 24 hours. And each day is divided into two equal parts. One half begins at midnight and ends at noon, mean 12 hours. And the second half begins at noon and ends at midnight. So kids, look at this. You have a clock. One half start from midnight, रात के 12 बजे से लेके सुबह के 6 बज गए, फिर दिन के 12 बज गए. This is one half. One half begins at midnight and ends at noon. रात के 12 बजे से लेके दिन के 12 बजे तक एक हाफ हो गया और दूसरा हाफ, this 12 o'clock means noon, 12 PM. और दिन के 12 बजे से लेके शाम हो गई एंड देन रात हो गई. This 12 means midnight. This is second half. So total hours are 24 hours. So kids, is there a clock in your room? Okay, look at it. अगर आपके रूम में कोई क्लॉक है तो उसकी तरफ देखें. See the hours marked from 1 to 12. 1 से 12 तक जितने नंबर्स मेंशन हैं, these are hours. Look at them. See the long and the short hand. लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट हैंड की तरफ भी देखें. एंड किड्स, द नंबर स्टे इन देयर स्पेसिफिक पोजीशन. 12 इज एट द टॉप एंड 6 इज एट द बॉटम. एंड 9 इज ऑन द लेफ्ट एंड द 3 इज ऑन द राइट. And the other numbers that's between in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now kids, let's start our easy telling time to the hour. I will teach you a cool trick that will give you the power when you see the minute hands pointed straight at the top. देखें, जब आपके पास मिनट हैंड pointed straight at the top, जब भी आपके पास मिनट हैंड means long hand. Very good. जब भी आपके पास मिनट हैंड पॉइंटेड स्ट्रेट एट द टॉप, जब भी मिनट हैंड आपका 12 पे मीन स्ट्रेट एट द टॉप पे लाई कर रहा होगा, इट्स ऑन द नंबर 12. सो से द वर्ड ओ क्लॉक. विच वर्ड? ओ क्लॉक. Which word? O'clock. Repeat with me. Which word? O'clock. When minute hands pointed at straight at the top means on the number 12, say the word o'clock. Then next check out the number. The hour hand points to, then put the number with the clock. That's all you have to do. फिर आपने, जब आपको पता है कि मिनट हैंड स्ट्रेट एट द टॉप लाई कर रहा है, उसके बाद आपने चेक ये करना है कि वेयर इज़ योर शॉर्ट हैंड. शॉर्ट हैंड किस नंबर पे है. सो लुक, इट इज़ ऑन नंबर 3. तो व्हाट have to do? Tell the time. It's 3 o'clock. Excellent. Now the time is 3 o'clock. Now see, this hour hand is on number 5 and minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 5 o'clock. Time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. So kids, let's try a few examples. Say them loud as quickly as you please. 1 o'clock, very good. 4 o'clock. 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and this is 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Kids, some of you have noticed something a little strange. It seems we have 2 of each hour in each day. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया है कि हम एक टाइम 12 o'clock दिन में 2 दफ़ा कैसे लेते हैं? Okay, I will teach you. Kids, first 12 o'clock comes when it is night. जब रात होती है, रात के 12 बजते हैं, तो this is 12 AM and also 12 midnight. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is 12 midnight. और उसके बाद जब रात के 12 के बाद टाइम गुज़रता है, सुबह हो जाती है, दिन हो जाता है और दिन के फिर 12 बजते हैं. सो 12 hours later, 12 घंटे बाद इट इज़ नून और 12 PM. जब दिन के 12 बज जाते हैं तो टाइम इज़ 12 PM. Let's look some examples now and enjoy along with them. In morning, 8 o'clock means 8 AM is the start of your school day. 10 AM is when you think what my teacher said, means आप क्लास में होते हैं, टीचर को सुन रहे होते हैं. 12 o'clock means 12 PM. Also, noon time is time to eat some lunch. 2 PM is your pack-up time of your school day. 4 PM is the time for friends to play. 4 बजे आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेल रहे होते हैं. But due to COVID, due to Corona, this is not safe कि आप गैदरिंग करें. So, in your home, play other activities. At 4 PM आप कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटी कर लेते हैं घर पे. 5 PM is the time when you do your homework. 7 o'clock means 7 PM is when your dinner gets much. आपका डिनर तैयार होता है, आप रात का खाना खाते हो. And 9 o'clock means 9 PM is when you need to be in bed. जब आपको 9 बजे आपके बेड पे होना चाहिए. So kids, I hope you understood very well. So kids, one whole hour has 60 minutes. So look at this. This is 1 o'clock. जब हमने 1 o'clock के बाद 2 o'clock पे जाना होगा, तो how is it possible? 1 hour has 60 minutes. Kids, जब आप क्लॉक की तरफ देखेंगे, शॉर्ट हैंड 1 से 2 की तरफ जब मूव करेगा, तो जो मिनट हैंड है वो कंप्लीट 1 राउंड कंप्लीट करेगा. In this 1 round, there are 60 minutes. Look at these number 1 and 2. How many minutes are there between two numbers? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 minutes between two numbers. 1 नंबर से आप काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. मिनट कहाँ पे है? दिस स्मॉल लाइन्स आर मिनट्स. These these small lines are minutes, so count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in between two numbers there are 5 minutes. तो जब your or hand mean small hand, as you know small hand moves very slowly, तो small hand बहुत slow move करता है. तो जब स्मॉल हैंड फ्रॉम 1 to 2 मूव करेगा तो योर मिनट हैंड टेक्स कंप्लीट 1 राउंड. जब मिनट हैंड कंप्लीट 1 राउंड ले लेगा सो योर और हैंड comes to the number 2. So it's mean 1 hour has 60 minutes. There are total 60 minutes. And kids, half an hour has 30 minutes. Half an hour. First of all, look at this clock. Clock is divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So first of all look at this. Kids, जब हमारे पास half an hour होता है तो it's mean your minute points stated at the bottom number 6. This is a number 6. So kids, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया 1 hour contain 60 minute but half hour contain 30 minute. Very good. So from 1 and 2, 1 से लेके number 2 तक अगर आपका half an hour है so it's mean कि your minute point is on the number 6. number 6 पे है ना वो. अभी complete 1 round तो नहीं किया, half राउंड तो रहता है. इट्स मीन हाफ टाइम, इट्स मीन 30 मिनट्स. सो योर और हैंड इन बिटवीन नंबर 2 and 3. 1:30. हाउ kids look? The minute hand will be on the number 6 hanging upside down. Now you might ask, where will the short has be? I can tell you now. It's quite easy. The hour hand will be halfway in between two numbers. So kids, o'clock के लिए your minute hand is straight at the top, and for half time it's hanging upside down, means on number 6, and your or hand in between two numbers. तो कैसे हम इसको रीड करेंगे? What is the time? 1:30. 1:30. It is 1:30 a.m. and also 1:30 p.m. Anyhow, what is the time? 3:30. This is the 3:30. What is the time? 4:30. Very good. Now what is the time? 9:30. Excellent. So kids, see an or hand is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is at 6. So this means the time is 4:30. What is the time? 4:30. We read it as 4:30. So kids, half past 4. We read it as half past 4 and write it as 4, then semicolon, then 30. Remember 5 o'clock? Yes, which means your minute hand is at straight at the top. And how we read it? 5 o'clock. How we write it? 5 semicolon then 0 0. Understood, kids? Now kids, look at this. Minute hand is at 3 and hour hand is little after 1. This means the time is 1:15. Say with me, 1:15. Say loudly, 1:15. How we read it? 1:15. And how we write it? 1 semicolon 1 5. How we know this is 1 semicolon 1 5? 1 5 means 15 minutes. So count them from here. How many these are total minutes? Kids, मैंने आपको बताया कि 2 नंबर्स के दरमियान 5 मिनट्स का गैप होता है, तो आपने यहाँ 12 से स्टार्ट करना है और 3 तक काउंट करने हैं. हाउ मैनी देयर आर मिनट्स. सो योर मिनट हैंड इज एट 3. In between these numbers there are total 15 minutes. So 1 semicolon 15. It's mean 1:15. Now kids, look at this. The minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is little before 3. This means the time is 2:45. Say with me, 2:45. जब हमारे पास मिनट हैंड नंबर 9 पे लाई कर रहा होता है और द और हैंड इज लिटिल बिफोर 3. जो और हैंड होता है वो नंबर से थोड़ा सा पहले, मेन थोड़ा सा टाइम रह गया है 3 o'clock होने में. थोड़ा सा टाइम रह गया है ना किड्स. जब आपके पास ये मिनट हैंड 12 पे 15 मिनट्स कवर करने के बाद 12 पे चली जाएगी मिनट हैंड, देन 3 o'clock becomes 3 o'clock. So 15 minutes are left. So now the time is 2:45 and we write it as 2:45 and write it as 2 semicolon 4 5. The time is 2:45. Now kids, let's go through from whole discussion and try few examples. Look closely at the clock in your room. Watch the long hand and short hand. See how it moves. Watch carefully. Now the long hand is the minute hand and it makes a complete turn round the clock face every hour. From 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and so on is a complete turn. It measures small units of time called minutes. There are 60 minutes in every hour. Now watch the short hand. Can you see it moving? It is moving very slowly. And the short hand is our hour hand. Look at this. This is short hand and this is an hour hand. It It makes a complete turn round and the clock face one once every 12 hours. It measures hours. Now tell the time. 3 o'clock. Very good. 5 o'clock. Very good. 8. I know. You knows. So think and tell me. Very good. It is 5:15. Say 5:15. Very good. And how we write it? 5 semicolon 15. Okay. Tell me. 7:15. How we write it? 7 semicolon 15. Now tell me. Very good. 8:30. How we write it? 8 semicolon 30. 8:30. How we write it? 10:30. How we read it? 10:30. How we read it? 1:30. And write it 1:30. Now tell me. Very good. 2:45. 2:45. How we write it? 1:45. 1:45. Now look, tell me what is the time? 3:45. And how we write it? 3 semicolon 45. Very good. Now I hope you had fun reading with the time with me. So now kids, look at your book page 133. Telling the time, hours and clocks. Kids, long periods of time can be measured using weeks, months and years. What about the time periods less than a day? Each day is divided into 24 equal parts called hours. And each day is divided into 2 equal parts. One half begins at midnight and ends at noon. And second half begins at noon and ends at midnight. So kids, a clock tells us the time of the day. This is the short hand, this is the long hand. Now kids, look at your page, next page, page 134. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. In this page, minute hand and hour hand को हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Look closely at the clock in your room. Long hand and short hand को आप देखें. How both these hand move. Long hand moves fastly while short hand moves slowly. Long hand is a minute hand. It makes a complete turn round the clock face every hour. It measures small units of time called minute. There are 60 minutes in every hour. Short hand is the hour hand. It makes a complete turn round the clock face once every 12 hours. It measures hours because there are 24 hours in each day. The hour hand makes 2 complete turns every day. 12 midnight to 12 noon. gives one complete turn, and from 12 noon to 12 midnight completes one complete turn. So kids, I hope you understood all these points. Now look at your next page, page 135. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. Now look at your question word 1. What time does each clock show? Write in the blanks. आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट को देखें, आपने लिखना ये है कि क्लॉक क्या टाइम शो कर रही है. नाउ टेल मी. दिस इज 3 o'clock. Very good. So kids, like this you have to complete from part A to part F. So kids, इस तरह आपने हर क्लॉक का टाइम इन द ब्लैंक फिल करना है. Now kids, open your next page, page 136. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. Now question number 2, draw hands on the clock to show the time given. Kids, अब आपने टाइम को रीड करके जो उन्होंने लुक एट योर पार्ट ए, जो उन्होंने 4 o'clock आपको दिया हुआ है, अब आपने शो करना है बाय क्लॉक हैंड्स. लॉन्ग हैंड एंड अ शॉर्ट हैंड यूज़ करके आपने 4 o'clock शो करना है. सो हाउ वी शो इट? लाइक दिस. योर मिनट हैंड is at the top, straight at the top, number 12, and your small hand on the number 4. This is an or hand. So this is done. Now complete your part A, B and all parts till part L. So kids, these all parts are done. Look at them. I hope you understood. And I hope you had fun reading the time with me. Now stay safe. Stay blessed.
I am a clock. I am used to know the time. My flat surface is called my face. The numbers 1 to 12 appear on my face. I have 2 hands just like you. But my one hand is short and the other long. My short hand is also called an hour hand. It moves slowly. It shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. So the hour hand completes 1 round in 12 hours and 2 rounds in 24 hours. My long hand is also called a minute hand. It shows the minutes. The minute hand moves faster. It completes 1 round in 1 hour. Come now, I will teach you how to read the time. See, my hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. We write it as 5, then colon, and then 0, 0. Now see, my hour hand is between 4 and 5, and the minute hand is at 6. This means the time is 4:30. We read it as 4:30. We write it as 4, then colon, and then 3, 0. Now my minute hand is at 3 and my hour hand is a little after 10. This means the time is 10:15. We read it as 10:15. We write it as 10, then colon, and then 15. Look now, my minute hand is at 9. And my hour hand is a little before 10. This means the time is 9:45. We say that it is 9:45. We write it as 9, then colon, and then 45. Come, let's see the time once again. See, my hour hand is on 2. And the minute hand is on 12. This means the time is 2 o'clock. We read it as 2 o'clock. We write it as 2, then colon, and then 00. Now my minute hand is at 3. And my hour hand is a little after 2. This means the time is 2:15. We read it as 2:15. We write it as 2, then colon, and then 15. See, my hour hand is between 2 and 3. And the minute hand is at 6. This means the time is 2:30. We read it as 2:30. We write it as 2, then colon, and then 30. Look now, my minute hand is at 9. And my hour hand is a little before 2. This means the time is 1:45. We say that it is 1:45. We write it as 1, then colon, and then 45. Hope you had fun reading the time with me.